Hello, I would like to demonstrate how to tune the slow first execution SQL statement. Here, for example, if I got a SQL statement, I test run this SQL statement. The SQL statement takes only 0.3 seconds. I execute again. It is because data are already in memory cache. The speed is very good. But if the SQL statement is being executed at the first time in a day, or relevant tables data has been flushed out from memory, so most of the data are not available in the memory cache, what will be happen? Now I execute it to simulate if every table's data is not in memory. It shows the SQL will be executed really slow in the first time execution in a day. So it take around 12.4 seconds. It more than 30 times slower than it is executed, with all data cached. So how to tune this kind of SQL statement? Let me press the tune button here. It is the tuning goals option here. Select the improve my SQL statement with slow first execution. So with this SQL tuning option, we're going to focus on how to improve the physical I/O from the hard disk. Now I press OK. To save our time, I use the hints-only tuning method to tune this SQL statement. Okay, now, there's 64 distinguished SQL statements. It is found after 100 SQL Hines injection investigated. Now, the benchmark is in progress. So, it is going to find out which SQL with hints injected will be better in cold cache scenario. At this moment we find the hints 33 is the best performance during the cold cache environment. Now let's take a look on this SQL statement. There is an option, hints here, with the employee table, and index hints for employee primary key. And there's another, first 10 rows hints is also added. Finally, there is an even better SQL statement, found with the hints 14. Here is the Hines 14. Now the hints option is changed to first order, with the table index hints of the primary key. Here, let's take a look on the SQL statement. See what is changed and why. The execution plan better during the cold cache scenario. Alright, let's do a comparison between hints 14 SQL statement and the original SQL statement. The hints 14 SQL statement is here. So the only difference is the hints injection here. Okay, and you can see the execution plan. Let's focus on the seek and row ID lookup. It will save a lot of I/O time, compared with the original SQL statement, which uses table scans. If the table scan is executed in memory, it will be okay. But if the table scan is from hard disk, it will be very bad. Go back to this SQL statement. The only table scan in this SQL statement is the department table. Since the department table is a small table, so it got no performance problem to extract data from the hard disk. We can see that the employee table is quite big, so the index lookup row ID lookup will be better to reduce the physical I/O. It is a very unique SQL tuning function in the market. Okay, thanks. Watch for the demonstration. Thanks.